Tsunami. 1. What is an earthquake? The movements in the interior of the earth release tremendous amounts of energy. This causes seismic waves leading to movements of the earth's surface, like tremors, shaking, cracking up, etc. Such vibrations or quaking in the earth's crust is known as an earthquake. 2. What will happen if an earthquake and volcanic eruption occur at the bottom of the sea? As on land, earthquakes and volcanic eruptions occur at the bottom of the sea too. If an earthquake occurs at the bottom of ocean, the energy released pushes the water upwards. As a result of this, a peculiar type of waves are formed. These waves are not very high near the source, but they start spreading very fast to long distances. The velocity of these waves is 800 to 900 km per hour. When they reach a coastal area, their velocity is reduced, but their height is found to have increased tremendously, even to about 30 meters. Such a wave generated by an earthquake or volcano occurring on the ocean floor is called a tsunami. Tsunami is a Japanese word which means harbor wave. Destructive effects of tsunami. 1. Buildings and other constructions are destroyed. 2. There is large-scale loss of life and financial loss. 3. Boats and ships near the coast get damaged. 4. Trees get uprooted. Landslides take place on a large scale. 5. Changes take place in the original land near the coast, giving rise to swamps. 6. Traffic obstructions arise. 7. The business or industry related to the sea are adversely affected and normal day-to-day life is disrupted. 8. Large-scale damage is caused to harbors. Precautionary measures. When a tsunami wave is formed due to an earthquake on the sea floor, it is necessary that an immediate estimate is made of its progress and a warning of the danger is issued to the people in the coastal area. For this purpose, an artificial geostationary satellite is of great use. Geostationary satellite. A geostationary satellite is a satellite rotating in Earth's orbit and revolving in the same direction as the Earth rotates, west to east.